In a world shadowed by constant surveillance, every conversation can be a target. Activists gather in dimly lit rooms, eyes wary, voices hushed. Whistleblowers and journalists navigate city streets, glancing over their shoulders, surrounded by hidden cameras and wiretaps lurking in plain sight. Everyday citizens go about their lives, unaware that their words could be captured and twisted, but a movement is rising. Faraday privacy rooms glow with the promise of secure dialogue. Mobile privacy units roll into neighborhoods, offering sanctuary from prying ears. Teams sweep spaces for bugs, their determination unwavering. Workshops teach people how to protect themselves, turning fear into empowerment. As government surveillance looms, individuals unite, hands joined, eyes bright with hope. Together, they reclaim the right to speak freely, to think without fear. The movement's shield logo appears, bold and unbreakable. Your privacy is your power. Stand with us. Join the movement. Protect what matters most.